knob. Knob is on. Motor's off. Turning the knob up to the end stop. End stop's triggered. You can just see the nozzle through there making contact. Now, I'm going to send a +10, Z +10. Now I'm going to send a motors off. Now I'll send a Z -10. And that's the sound of the knob stuck and skipping. So the knob is wrong or stripped or something. I'll take the knob off, do a +10, -10. Let's watch that end stop, see if it does trigger. The -10 and end stop triggered, and you can see the nozzle is touching. So after the nylon adjustment, that part seems to be okay.